Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a very pretty bracelet pattern. I have this one here made from red acrylic yarn, and I will do one with orange. So for this pattern we're going to use some yarn, and I have acrylic yarn, very easy to use. I have a 4mm crochet hook and some scissors. Alright, let's begin the pattern by making a slip knot. Here's an easy way to do a slip knot. And then place it on the hook and simply tighten. From here, we're going to do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into that second chain, grab the yarn, and then pull a loop. So now you have 2 loops on the hook. Then insert the hook into the first chain you made, grab the yarn, and pull another loop. So now you have 3. From here, you're going to do yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then turn the work this way, and you're going to insert your hook into this location right here, into this stitch. Grab the yarn and pull a loop, but only pull the loop through this one stitch. Then you're going to insert the hook into this first stitch here at the very bottom, right here, and then grab the yarn and pull another stitch. Again, we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Then we turn the work, and again we grab that first loop, and then we're going to pull 1 loop. So now we have 2. Then insert your hook into both of these loops. Yarn over, pull another loop. So again, now we have 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. And then it repeats again. We turn the work. We grab this first loop, yarn over and pull through only that loop. Then insert the hook into the next 2. Yarn over, pull through both of those until we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all of those 3. Again, turn the work. Over here we have 3 loops. We're going to grab the very first one. Yarn over, pull through that loop. Then grab the next 2. Yarn over, pull a loop again until we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. And again, we're going to turn the work. Pull some yarn. Okay, find the very first stitch over here. This one ended up a little bit more stiff. There we go. Yarn over and pull a loop only through that one. So let's continue with this pattern until the bracelet is long enough to go around your wrist, and then I will meet you at the end for a few more tips. If you think that this is pretty easy, that's great, keep going. And if you're struggling, just stay till the end and I will give you a few tips and some common questions that I've encountered with this pattern. All right, I'm back, and this is what the bracelet looks like so far. It's very, very pretty. Here it is, what it looks like on the arm, on the wrist. And one common question that I get with this pattern is, I can't see what I'm supposed to be getting, which stitches I'm supposed to be working with when we turn the pattern. So so I'm here, I have completed the yarn over and I've pulled through all three. When I turn it, if you take a look carefully, let me point it out with a smaller crochet hook. There are 3 stitches here. So this is where we were, we turned it, and now if you look carefully, there is 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the 3 stitches that I will be pulling loops from. So this is the first one here. Okay, and then the second time I'm inserting the hook is in those 2. So if you feel like they're way too tight, that means probably you need to keep these looser. So when I go into this first one, make sure first this initial stitch is a little bit on the looser side. If you pull really hard on this yarn, if you're maintaining too much tension, this one will get very, very tight and you won't be able to pull a very good and you won't be able to work very easily with it. So keep the yarn here loose. So we will insert the hook into the very, very first one, grab a yarn, pull another loop, and then again find the other 2 that we just looked at, and then pull another loop. So there are the 3. They are kind of loose, and then yarn over, pull through all 3. And again, this one is also pretty loose. Again, flipping over, here are my 3 stitches. Here's the first one. This is the first one that I'm gonna work with, and here are the other 2 that I will be working with. So you insert the hook into the very first one here, grab the yarn, pull through, and then insert here, grab the yarn, pull through. Now how do I finish this pattern? I'll just simply pull out this yarn, from here I've cut the yarn. I'll just simply insert it into the big loop and pull it out. Now if you like, you can just simply use these two to tie the bracelet to your wrist, or you can hide those tail ends and put in a bracelet hardware. Entirely up to you. If you choose to hide them, simply use a crochet needle and then work into the middle of the bracelet. And then cut the excess yarn. Same thing on the other side. Okay. So I have hidden both tail ends. From here you could use bracelet hardware and just attach it to each ends, or you could just simply use a piece of string, take and insert your hook right in the middle of the bracelet. Grab the yarn, pull it through, and then just do a slip knot. Same thing on the other side. Grab another piece of yarn that is the same length, insert the hook right in the middle, and then pull the yarn out. And again, let's make a slip knot. And now that you have two tail ends, you could make a sliding knot. And you simply need two knots on each side so the sliding knot doesn't come undone. And then cut the excess yarn. And there. Now you have a very pretty bracelet with a sliding knot. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know how it went, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.